Hey guys, today I'm going to make this smoothie that is one of my favorites. It's a green smoothie, lots of amazing good fats, tastes absolutely incredible. You get a little bit of a chocolate hit too. So just a backstory on this. My husband and I went to Melbourne on a little holiday and we found this tiny little cafe who made smoothies, and we bought this smoothie and absolutely loved it. We cannot remember the name of the cafe, we cannot remember anything of where it is, but we still 10 years later remember this amazing smoothie and we make it at home. So let's get straight into it. Firstly, I've got my Thermomix here, one of the best things I've ever bought, but if you don't have one of these, then just use a normal blender. All right, we're gonna go in with some spinach. Baby spinach is actually better, but we had this in the garden, so why not use it? Now I'm not going to use the stems. It will be fine, but it's just a little bit tougher. So I will keep this for some of my dinners tonight. Chuck in your spinach. We have some dates. Now medjool dates are best. If you are using medjool dates, literally you only need 2. But we don't have medjool dates today, so I'm just using the packaged dry ones. I've gone in with about 8 of those. We're going to use some vanilla powder. Best ever. You don't have this, just use vanilla essence or leave it out. Okay, we're going to go in with some mint. This is what gives it a really nice kick. And this is from our garden as well. Okay. We're going to have a little pinch of salt. Salt just brings out the flavor of absolutely everything. 2 cups of milk of your choice. Now I've got coconut milk here, but almond milk is amazing, or macadamia milk, whatever you want. We have a bunch of ice. Chuck that in. We have some cacao nibs. Now this is what gives it a really fun chocolatey flavour. It doesn't overwhelm it. It's not a chocolate smoothie, but you do get those little hits of cacao. Then our good fat avocado. Go in with that. Oh, do you love it when you get a good avocado? Okay, so we'll just chuck the lid on and then start blending. It is really loud, guys, okay? So just be aware. I'm going to turn it right up. I'm just going to check the consistency and see whether I like it. Oh, yum. Look at this beautiful color. I think that looks good. I'm just going to taste it for sweetness. Oh yeah. You want the cacao nibs to be a little bit visible. And you want to be able to taste it too. There we go. Let's prettify it up with some mint. I can guarantee this will quickly become one of your favorite smoothies. It is just super wholesome, tastes incredible, and so fun. Cheers.